Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a document using Google Docs. I'm going to begin by clicking on my Google Drive, which is the green, yellow, and blue triangle here on my portal page. And once my Google Drive opens, I see all my files there. I'm going to go to Create, and that gives me the option of creating a variety of different files. A document, a presentation, a spreadsheet are three of the options. And over here I see I have other options that you may not have. And that's possibly because I've added these by going to connect more apps. If you go to this page, you'll see that Google actually has a lot of apps that you can choose from, in addition to the regular, uh, you know, apps that you would see in a productivity software package such as Microsoft Office. But today we're going to learn how to create a document. So I'm going to click here on Document, and maybe I want to start my capstone paper. And let's say my topic is diabetes in cats. And let's say I had actually misspelled diabetes. And we see here we have the red underline, which I can then correct the spelling by choosing it from the list. I just right clicked and then I can choose the correct spelling from the list. And I'm going to hit enter a couple times and begin typing my paper. Whoops, gotta be careful there. Okay, and let's say I decide I want to bold this and center it. Well, you can see I have my typical commands here on my toolbar. I can bold it, I can change the font, size, and make it Times New Roman. I can center it. So you see many of the commands that you would see in a word processor. You have the ability to create numbered lists and bulleted lists. And then if we look here at the menus, we see that we have many of the same commands that we would have in other word processors. We can insert images. We can insert a table either here or by going to the table menu. We can add links and equations. We can add a page break, a header, or a footer. We'll need to be able to add a header to our paper for our capstone project. And then under format, superscript, subscript, a lot of the same commands. You can change your line spacing to double. You can add spacing before or after a paragraph or eliminate it if you do have spacing. So many of the same features that you would see in other word processors are available in Google Docs. One thing that you will not see is the ability to save. That is because changes, as you make changes, they are automatically saved. So you don't need to worry about saving. One thing I might want to do before I exit is I might want to change the title of my document. Up here it says Untitled. Maybe I want to call it Capstone Paper, or maybe Diabetes in Cats. So now my paper has a title other than Untitled, and it says that all changes have been saved. So I can go back to the Docs home, and here just shows me a list of all my doc files. And if I want to, I can go back to my Google Drive. And as you see, it opened a new window when I clicked on that. I could have just gone back to the Google Drive by closing the additional windows I've opened. And if I scroll down, I see that my paper, Diabetes in Cats, is right here. I can then choose to download it maybe. And you can download it if you need to send it to your professor as an attachment, or upload it to Blackboard to the assignment Dropbox. Or if you want to download it and work on it in another word processor. From experience, I can tell you it's very easy to take a paper back and forth between Google Docs and Microsoft Word. So I could download it, work offline in Microsoft Word. When I'm done, upload it again. When I'm back at the college, I can then work on it, do some edits in Google Docs. And when I get back home, I can download it again to work off on it again offline. So this is how you create a document in Google Docs. Now feel free, if you don't have Microsoft Office, to do your capstone paper in Google Docs. That is permitted. And if there's any features or any components of the capstone paper that you're asked to include and you don't know how to do it in Google Docs, just ask your professor and they can help you with that. All right, that's all for today.